In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in Canva mobile app. So let's get started. First thing, in the mobile app, to the leftmost top, we'll be having our profile icon. Click it and here select settings, select your profile. We are having here a language drop down. Select this. We are having these many languages to choose from. Either you can scroll and choose, or you can just search for the language of your choice. After that, just click on the language which you want to select. It will reload and your language will be getting applied all over the app. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.